we got everything now, our weekly groceries. So this one, the meats, and also this one, and we have water. And Brian got a cake, a sale, just only $5. So this is what we got from Fred Meyer. This one and this one, and also this one, and also we got the chicken. This one, how much this guy? $16 ribeye steak, and this one the $10 only, not only. And then this one is $7 the chicken. And then this one we have a potato, the fruits, banana and the pears, and this one and then now I will make a pancit today. And I got this, the beans, the cabbage, the avocado, and the squash, and I don't know what's the name of that. And there is the rice. This is the rice we got from Cash and Carry, white jasmine, naturally scented rice. I was thinking this is $40, but we got only 20, guys. How many pounds is this? 11 kilos. Yeah, it's 11 kilos. Because usually I got the rice from Fred Meyer, and then $7, just only 5 pounds. So better this one. Okay, and then we have also the cake. Brian got that, and then the bread, and then this one also, and then the milk, and then we got this also. And when Brian got this also, and then that's it. And then we had water. So, and thanks guys for watching, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel, and God bless everyone. So hello guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel, my journey in life. So here we'll be cooking the pancit. Pancit is life. So, magluluto tayo ng guys, pancit. So, garlic at saka onion. And then, I have here the green beans, what's this? The carrot, and the bell pepper. Ilalagay ko, ihalo ko yung bell pepper guys, kasi nga, may bell pepper kami sa sa loob ng fridge na hindi ginagamit. So, sayang naman na nasisira, diba? So, halo na natin. So, the pork, this is already marinated guys with soy sauce, and the garlic, and what else? Soy sauce. So, I'm gonna bring this also for my work tomorrow. I want to share this to my co-workers so that they can try the pancit. But usually I always lagi ako nagdadala sa sa work ko na pancit. Pag nakaluto ako, yun. Yan. Smells good. I have decided to follow you. Takpan muna natin. So maybe soon I will make a video about how we met ni Brian. So maybe soon. So I will try to use this chicken broth, guys. Chicken broth. This is my first time to use the chicken broth when I cook pancit. But normally I use the water, the natural water, not this. So I try this. Use a little. And then maya ilalagay ko yung ito, pancit. Pancit is very known in the Philippines, especially there is occasion like birthday, Christmas, any occasion, fiesta, yeah, any occasion, the pancit is present, always present. This is a kind of a dish that very delicious for long life. Especially if there is a birthday, they will say that pancit is how to say that, is for pampataas sa kinabuhi. Oh, so I put already the cabbage. This is good. Pwede din ganito lang, guys. Ulam na. Diba? Dagdagan ko ng paminta. I will add more paminta. Wala namang lumalabas. So, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, my journey in life. So, it's a Monday afternoon here. I know evening because it's already 6 o'clock in the evening. And then, i-try kong i-cook to, guys. Yung steak. I-ano ko sa garlic and onion and then Sprite. Iluto ko sa Sprite. Just an experiment. I-try kong iluto ng gano'n, no? Parang parang humba. Ganyan. So, try natin kung mag-work siya. No? So, we will start cooking now, guys. The garlic. Experimenting the ribeye steak like a humba, adobo. I-try ko. This is my first time and then I don't know if pwede ba siya, but pwede naman ata na i-ano siya na parang it's like an adobo. Garlic and then mabango. That's good. It makes me hungry. I have decided. And then ilalagay ko na yung steak. Experimenting the beef, the steak. So, and then lagyan ko siya ng Sprite mamaya. So, I will cover first and then later I will put the soy sauce. The soy sauce. Blurry yung camera ko buka this one, the paminta. And then maybe I will put the nor. The Maggi nor. Yeah. So, experiment ba? No? So guys, ito na siya. lunch ko bukas. Nilagyan ko ng potato at saka nilagyan ko ng Sprite. Masarap siya. Very soft now. But, sabi ni Brian, why you ruin the steak? Yun. Masarap siya. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel, and God bless us.